Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at a scratch-built version of this CT4 plane. Well, my buddy Surin flew this plane before, and he had been building an RC model version of it. After weeks of work, there she is in the hand of a creator. And here's the size comparison against my toy Omnicopter. I have built a powerful 2.4 GHz PCB Bi-Quad Antenna for this Omnicopter, and that doubles its radio range. Do check out that video if you're interested, link in the video description below. Now back to the plane. First things first, let's check out the weight of this beauty. Well, she's coming in at 327 grams, that's pretty light for this size, but being over 250 grams, it does need to be registered. Now let's take a look at the motor and prop. There's a small 3-inch quadcopter motor with a prop from a DJI Phantom drone. The prop is secured to the motor shaft with ceramic glue and 2 wires for added strength to stop it from slipping. It's worth mentioning that the motor is tilted 2 degrees to the left of the plane to counteract the torque roll effect. In this view, one would notice the dihedral, that's the upward angle of the wings from the fuselage. Well, Surin did not bend a flat sheet of foam to achieve this. To preserve the structural strength of the polystyrene material, he cut out cross-sectional strips that are V-shaped and then merged them side by side, as shown in this shot. By varying the width of the strips, he could create desired airfoil for the wings. The plane has 2 servos near the rear for controlling elevator and rudder, respectively, and a servo at the center controls the ailerons. Now for the moment of truth, let's take her to the skies.
No TV. Oh, wow, scary. No TV, so I'm giving a lot of up.
How's the throttle like now?
Total is about 40%.
Less than half stick?
Yeah, less than half stick. But I'm giving a lot of up because I scared this guy like to suddenly nose down, very scary. But it's much higher than I ever flown already, so I am quite pleased. Not too bad, not too bad. Now 50% thrust. Seems like some big winds over there. Wait, I come out the wind. Fun.
I was blinded by the sun.
Yeah, that's why I thought to get out of there.
I lost it for a moment.
And see now?
Yep.
Okay.
It's so quiet.
Quiet, but I'm panicking, bro. This guy is no savvy battery.
I can't hear anything.
I hope your camera can.
It's amazing. This is really quiet.
Okay, landing.
Look at the size of the battery. It's like a chewing gum. And the size of the plane. Wow. So how much flight time for this small pack?
3 minutes.
Not too
Quite
bad.
good already.
Yeah, that's like most race drones. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one.